Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, one of my all-time favorite vehicles. Hey, you know I love GT350s, but I love the GT500. I honestly really like the 07 to 12 GT500s because I love the loud whine of the supercharger. But today we have a 2012 very simple mods. It's our Stage 2 package. You can open the description of this video, click on it, read more about it. We're talking a 2.6 pulley, GLT cold air intake, tune, and colder spark plugs. We're going to watch a dyno pull, so stick around. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, before we watch a dyno pull, we're going to check it out. But we have the 12 GT500 93 octane today. Of course, manual transmission like all of them. Doug, come down here and take a look. So we have the stock supercharger. You know, we have a lot of videos on upgrades on these 500s. The stock supercharger, you know, some are black, some are gray depending on the year. But the upgrades, we have the 2.6 pulley, the big idler, and over here, the JLT air induction system. And that's it, stock throttle body, stock exhaust manifolds, of course, custom calibration. It's available for mail order. You know, if you wonder what this costs to get installed, email quote@brenspeed.com. You can get on that description, click on it. We can ship this with proper calibration right to your door. But it's a sweet setup, well over 500 rural horsepower on the stock 500. Man, I really like these. So like I told you earlier, every GT350 video, I always say this is my favorite car, but I really like the 500s. You know, in 13 and 14, you get the big TVS 2.3 liter supercharger, capable of a lot more power. We're just running the stock, smaller 07 to 12 supercharger today. Check out this dyno pull. All right, for the money, literally no better mod if you have a GT500 than our Stage 2 package. It's not that expensive. We're talking pulley, cold air, and you get the spark plugs and the calibration. Check these numbers out. Dynojet SAE 93 octane, 541 rural horsepower, 6,000 RPM. Check out the torque. 548, look at that, 3,900 RPM. And clear back here at 2,500, we're already over 500, and it sticks there pretty much all the way across the board. Boost, I don't want to show you this, but the boost today is 13.57 pounds, peaking at about 6,500 on the 2.6 pulley. And we do have stock exhaust manifolds on this, so full stock exhaust. Doug, take one more look. 12 GT500, super clean car. I like it. I do really think one of these days, I'm probably going to get one of these just to have as my driver. I know a lot of you know, but I drive my fun weekend cars, a 19 GT convertible with a Roush supercharger on it, but I just love the way these sound. And a lot of times, you know, I know my 19 makes more power than this, but just the funness factor is big for me, and I really like the sound of the supercharger, and with such simple mods, you can make a lot of power, so it's awesome. So if you have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. Email quote@brenspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed, whether you want a bigger blower, maybe 540 is not enough, you want 640, 740, 840, whatever, we can handle that. And then of course, you can check that description, click on the link, and we can ship these right to your door. Thanks for watching.